Hello everyone, it's Christina from Bible Journal Crafts and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys this printable over here that is the Psalm 119:45 that says, "I will walk about in freedom, for I have sought your precepts." And in this video, I am going to make an art or a craft using this Popsicle sticks. So yeah, I was having these popsicles for a while and you can see that they're all colored, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to use acrylic paint over them and that will cover the color. You can see here that I am connecting them with a scotch tape, and now I'm going to start doing my paint. I'm going to start painting them. I'm using white to faint a little bit the color that they have, so that when I am going to add another color, it will be more smooth and nice. And now I'm going to cut the printable. I'm going to do the same technique that I did in my last video. I'm going to cut the silhouette as it is, and I'm going to stick it on the popsicles. Now, if you have a cutting machine or a cutting knife, you can leave it as it is. Now that I'm seeing this, it's really nice also, and you don't have to do a lot. But I'm gonna go over it with acrylic paints, and let's get started with acrylic paints. So I'm mixing white and mauve color, purple. I'm going over all of it. It doesn't matter if I'm covering the printable, I am going to get it out really easy, so you don't have to worry about it. Next, I'm adding some other colors, just to make it more like a galaxy. I don't know. It didn't turn out the way I wanted it so much, but I just think that it's so nice. And it's a craft that you guys need to try too, because it's fun. Because it's fun to do so, and you spend your time with the Lord and you do some things, maybe practicing also. And here you can see that I wrote with a pen, a white pen, the verse, but I didn't like it too much, so I just thought that I could write it again with my starry colors so that they will shine. And I just really love the shiny colors. I like the golden colors. That's why I thought that it would be better to do the letters with the gold colors. And right now I'm going over with a Sharpie marker just to make them, more visible. Next, I'm going to make these silhouettes black. At first I was like, shall I just leave them as they are? I mean, you can, it's your own art, but I just wanted to see how they look like if you paint them gold. And I know that gold paint is better on a black surface. That's why I painted the silhouettes black. And I will outline the silhouettes with a Sharpie marker. And then I'm just gonna do some splattering with gold. And this is it. You can see the shine. I just really love the shine. And right now I'm gonna stick it on my wall. And I'm just using some scotch tape on the back of it to stick it on my wall, and here it is. So if you enjoyed this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more free printables like that. Also, don't forget to hit the bell button so that you will get notified every time I upload a video, and don't forget to download your free printable for today. And I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!